to myself, I don't want you around. Those pretty faces always make you stand out in the crowd. But someone picked you from the bunch when glance was all it took. Now is it much too late for me to take a second look?